Binibidyo kita Buboy! Boy, wag! Si Ate Melissa. Bakit? 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 Oh, tignan mo sila. Oh, ginagawa nila. Oh. Oh. Hi, Buboy. Say hi. Wow, so plenty animals. You wait. Let me be the one. Oh, this is Melissa Joy, and there's Buboy.
Why was that? Not that one? Okay. Ito. Ay, no. Don't open it.
Sandali lang, pa nag-ahalaga akong bata. Well, ano yan? Oh, ito si Lola Melissa. May hawak na naman na. Ayaw niya.
Oh, Joy!